Hey YouTube, and welcome to today's quick tip tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get the PSVR to work with the PlayStation 5. So as you know, there are two generations to the first version PlayStation VR. I have the first version, and it doesn't matter whether you have the first or second gen of the first version. This is going to work for both of them. So basically what you want to do is there's going to be a website down below that I'm going to post a link to, and you're going to go to that website and you're going to want to take this number that's below this barcode here, right? And then you're going to want to type it into that site. It's going to be the PlayStation website where you're going to request an adapter that's going to enable you to convert the camera to be able to work with the PlayStation 5. And so anyways, after you do that and complete the form, a delivery driver will drop this off at your doorstep about a week later. That's how long it took mine to arrive. And if you have two sets, I have two PSVR sets, they will send you two. So even though the website says one per household, it is one per household per serial number, you know. But if you were to go on Amazon, let's say for whatever reason somebody already did it and they sold you a set and they didn't include the adapter, you can go on Amazon. I'm going to include a link for that as well, where you can just order this directly without having to go through Sony's website. And so cameras that require the older camera, not the newer PlayStation 5 camera, games that require that camera will still need that camera. You cannot use the PlayStation 5 camera, and vice versa. Games that require the PlayStation 5 camera cannot use the PlayStation 4 camera. So, you know, that's why they made this adapter, and so you can still use your PSVR. Alright, so if you found this video useful, click the subscribe button, hit the like. If you have any questions, drop a comment. That's it for now, guys, and until next time.